Kyle. Yep, he's been nice. Jeremy? I think so. Huh. Definitely nice. Oh, Keith. Unfortunately, naughty. Tammy? Nice. James? Nice. Oh, Matt, do better next year, buddy. Brandon? Yep, he's been nice. Oh, hi. We're just getting ready for Christmas around here, so, you know, doing a little bit of festive activities and, you know, surprises. But anyway, that's not why you're here. You're here because, unlike me, you might not be quite prepared, and you still need to buy that perfect Miata gift for your Miata nerd in your life that, yeah, you do have to put up with them, or at least you choose to, which is nice of you. That's how you stay on the nice list, right? So let's talk about easy things. Let's make your life easy. What things can you get that special Miata nerd in your life that will make them happy, but that won't break the bank, and that you can get right now? So in front of me here, I've assembled some very easy gifts for your Miata friend that will cost you all less than 50 bucks US. So we're keeping this real simple here. I'm going to start off over on this side, and let's talk about the NANB people, because let's face it, that's most of what's out there at this point. So we've got a lot of stuff for those cars. This in particular, for everybody that owns an NA or NB, at least that I know, they're typically doing their own oil change. And this is a little adapter, I guess you could say, that plugs onto the oil filter mount, or it's kind of a sort of a factory oil cooler, if you will. But anyway, it just clips right on, catches all the oil, so that way it doesn't run down the block, and keeps you from making a big mess. I wish we had these back when I had an NA or NB. That would have made my life so much easier. So yeah, oil funnel drain adapter. These guys are, oh hey, wait, I've got prices. So of course this is all for 2023, but currently pricing on this guy is only $29.99. So pretty easy. Comes with a hose, clips right on, easy. I'm sorry, 1.6 owners, this won't apply to you. So if your favorite Miata person has a 1.6 Miata, that will not apply. But all other NAs and NBs, that is a good option. The next one in line, let's talk about NAs and NBs again, is some of our shifter installation kits. So these are just fancy cutout pieces of insulation essentially, but they are very high-tech insulation from DEI. And specifically, they're intended to go around your shift lever. This is underneath the center console, so you will need to take your center console off to access it. But once you're there, oftentimes, if it's even there at all, there'll be some kind of like wound up carpet insulation. It looks like it came out of, you know, some old house from the 70s underneath their carpet. It's really ugly and gross. But that's what Mazda had. It worked at the time, but usually if it's even there at all, it's really gross and doesn't work as well as it could if you had something that was actually designed to basically insulate from heat and sound. This is a nice upgrade for those NA NB Miatas, including the 1.6 Miata owners. And this one, let's see, it is a whopping $29.99 as well. So another very easy and very cost-effective upgrade for somebody. All you need is a screwdriver to install it. Very straightforward. That's also going to be a trend here with most of the stuff that we're going to talk about today, is that you don't need to build an engine. You don't need to know how to install a turbo kit. You don't need to know how to tune the computer. This is all stuff you can do with very, very basic tools, if any tools at all, really. So, moving on to the next one, let's talk about our oil drain funnel. Nope, I said oil drain. Oil fill funnel. So we know how to get oil out of the engine. How do we get oil in the engine? So these guys, we actually have two different variants here that I have in front of me. We have a kind of more generic bottle style that this guy actually has threads that threads into your valve cover. This one is specifically for NA and NB, but we do also have a version for NCs and NDs. They have slightly different threads. But this threads into your valve cover, you tip over your favorite flavor of engine oil, and away you go. It makes it much easier to get all of the new engine oil in without dribbling it all over the place. I really like these. This particular one does come with a little base, so that way when you're done, you thread it in, and you set it down, and it doesn't fall over, it doesn't dribble oil all over the place, that kind of thing. Very easy. This one, while it does the same job, is a little bit different. You can probably see it's got some different features on there, and it's also different size. That's because this is specifically for Redline oils. So we like Redline. We've been selling Redline oils for quite a long time. They are very high quality synthetic fluids. I'm trying to think of a good way to say that we like them. Basically, we have been using them for so long that we typically don't even bother trying to use other stuff. Early on, I know that Jeremy really likes Redline oil because when we were doing engine builds and we were using other kinds of oils at the time, we had the fewest issues with premature engine wear and just engine longevity issues in general after we started using Redline for all of our engine builds. So we decided we liked it so much, we built a oil funnel specifically for the Redline oil bottle. So that way when you tip it upside down, it fits perfectly inside here. And then this outside is actually a vent. So that way when it's glugging all the oil down into your engine, it actually has some way to let air move and evacuate. So very handy little guy, also threads into your valve cover. And again, we have versions for NC and ND as well, just like this NA and B version. Very handy. Everybody changes their oil. These are great things to have. On the same topic of everybody needs to have it, and I'll put a little bit of an asterisk there because if you have a manual transmission, sorry, automatic owners, this one is a great option for if you have a really grungy or just don't like your current shift knob and you want to do an upgrade. And this is not very expensive. These are, oh, sorry, I didn't even talk about prices for these guys. These filters, funnels, they are, let's see, $9.99 for this style. And then currently these ones are $24.99 since they are a two-piece. Excuse me. So, back to the shift knob. The shift knobs, these guys are $49.99. They are made of Delrin, and they have a metal, I think steel insert, if I recall. So it does have a nice heft to it. It's a nice shape. It's about perfect for most people's hands. I have slightly longer fingers, and I can pretty much wrap around the whole shift knob ball without having my fingers crowded at the base for the most part. If you have larger hands than me, you might need something a little bit bigger, but again, at $49.99, this is a great option, especially if you're shopping for somebody else and you're like, yeah, your shift knob is pretty grody, man. Let me get you a new one. This is a great option. Fits all NAs, NBs, NCs, and NDs. So it will work as long as you have a manual transmission. We have a question. Does it get hot in the sun? Oh, that's a great question. Thank you. Because it's made of Delrin, it will get warm, but it's not made of metal on the outside, and it's not like I won't even say the name brands because there's a lot of them out there, but they're either aluminum or steel or even titanium shift knobs. Basically, if it has that metal contact surface, and especially if it gets direct sunlight in the summer, they can get toasty hot. These Delrin ones, they'll get warm, but Delrin is basically a very dense plastic. So it's actually relatively good at insulating, and it doesn't absorb and store heat anywhere near as well as metal does. So that's another one of the reasons I really like it. I have this in my own personal Miata, and I've actually had in the last two Miatas I've owned. I like them that much. It's just a nice size. It's slightly taller than most stock shift knobs too. So, but long story short, it's great for all driving. Ooh. Including winter driving, which actually that bothers me more, shift knobs that get really cold. And this one, again, it doesn't. It gets cool, but never like frosty to the point where I feel like I need to wear gloves just to use it. Okay, moving on. Next on our list, these are another great item for any Miata owner because they fit all Miatas. This is our door bushing pair set. And these, basically, they replace the factory door bushings, which are made of rubber. They're real flexible, and especially if you have an older generation Miata, they get worn out. They don't really do as much as they used to, and your doors can jiggle and bounce and rattle around. These door bushings replace those worn out rubber guys with some really solid pieces of 3D printed material. So these guys, along with our funnels and other funnel, these are made of a nylon material with carbon fiber impregnated chopped bits in the nylon material itself. So they're very rigid, they're very durable, and actually these guys, they get beat up all the time because you're opening and closing the door, and the little cup that engages with them on the door is constantly sliding back and forth on them every time you open the door. But because they're that rigid material, they keep the door from bouncing around, and that means usually you get less squeaks, bumps, rattles, and a slightly stiffer chassis, technically speaking. But these guys, easy to install. They have 2 bolts each, so 2 bolts on either side for each door, and they will cost you a grand total of $37.99 right now. So, easy peasy, one tool to install. Let's see, let's go with this guy next. So this isn't the whole thing, or I guess this isn't included because this is actually a stock component that we have made a little adapter for. This probably looks really familiar to most of you NA and NB owners. This is a dipstick for your engine oil, and it's been broken off, of course. Surprise. Well, to combat that, we have a 3D printed handle. So this replaces the stock handle, and what it does, whoops, is it just has a little groove to where it will clip into place, just like that. And now you have a functional dipstick handle again. Pretty easy. Again, not really any tools needed for this, or at least I didn't on this one. Most of the time they break off pretty close to flush, but oftentimes if it's not quite flush enough to be the right fit, I just go over to some sidewalk or concrete outside, and I just kind of give it a little bit of a rub until it has a nice snap fit right into the handle. Easy. And this guy, I think, is pretty inexpensive at currently, yeah, $9.99. So that's a good one and very inexpensive if you're looking for a tiny, easy gift to fit in a small stocking. Speaking of small gifts, here's another good one. We have keychains. Let me hold that up, that way you can actually see what's going on there. These are, again, 3D printed using the same material, that nylon with the chopped carbon fiber bits in it. And they have a cutout of your favorite Miata. Now this one is an NC. This is actually my personal keychain, of course. But we also have NA, NB, and ND versions of this keychain available as well. A whopping $4.99 for this guy. So add it to any of your orders. It's a great way to show off that, no, this is my keychain set for my car. Or if you have a particularly, nerdy Miata friend that wants special key sets, that's a great option for them. All the Miata guys love it, and gals, for that matter. And lastly, speaking of inexpensive, we have our fantabulous new calendar for 2024. So these are a limited edition calendar, of course, because 2024 only comes around once every, once. So we only have about 400 left in stock at the moment. If you want one of these calendars, they are exactly 1 cent, 1 US penny on our web store. So if you buy this and put it in your shopping cart along with anything else, it's only 1 penny. If you want just this, you can buy just this for 1 penny. So this has, of course, pictures of all of the different months on here. I won't spoil too many of the different pages. I'll show you this one because, this has a lovely NC Miata on it. Just so happens to be mine. Kian's a little jealous. It's all right. But these are all pictures taken by our fantastic Travis Ingram, who does all of our photography, videography, editing, and just general beautification when anything social media or media related pops up. So jump on our website, grab this guy too, add it to your order. When they're gone, they're gone. We won't be making any more calendars, so the first 400 lucky people to add these to their shopping cart, you get them for Christmas or maybe New Year's. Speaking of which, for timelines this year, of course, these are all well and good, but we are getting pretty close to that awkward phase where UPS, Post Office, FedEx, they're getting kind of backed up with deliveries. So how could you get all of this stuff to your door before Christmas? Now, I will say that we are shipping every day. We are not behind. We will be able to get everything going as quickly as possible as long as we have it in stock. However, FedEx, Post Office, UPS, all that kind of stuff, they are starting to show the signs of the holidays creeping up, and of course everybody's got other Christmas gifts coming in from Amazon and whatnot. So if you know that you want these before Christmas, place your order as soon as you can, and I recommend, especially if you can't miss the deadline of Christmas, look at our expedited shipping options. A lot of times we're able to ship like FedEx second day air or similar to most places in the US. If you're outside of the country, we do have some international shipping options that are more expedited. However, I won't put any guarantees on those ones, unfortunately. If you do any of the FedEx expedited options and you're shipping within the States, we could probably have this to you early next week. And you only have, let's see, today, tomorrow, and then all of next week to get your orders in if you're gonna do any last minute orders before we're closed for the holidays. So, starting the, 26th, 25th? I should have looked this up before the video, my apologies. Travis will probably edit in this text after the fact. Next Friday is the last day that we will be open before closing down for the holidays, because we do want to let our employees spend some time with their families, enjoy their eggnog, go open up Christmas presents, you know, snowball fights, all that kind of stuff. And then we will reopen on the 2nd of January. So there'll be at about a week and a day that Flyin Miata will be closed for the holidays. So don't miss out, because you might not get your presents or your favorite Miata nerd friends' presents until after the holidays if you're not quick about it. So anyway, that's my spiel. I hope that you have a happy holiday season. Oh, wait, before I sign off, we've got a question. What do we got? Oh, thank you. This is a big one. Question is, do we have gift cards? I'm so glad that that was asked. Thank you so much, because we do. If you don't know if any of this stuff or the other stuff that we sell will work for your Miata or for your Miata friends' Miata, we do have gift certificates. These are digital gift certificates, so you don't even have to worry about them getting lost in the mail. You don't have to worry about it taking forever to even get there. You just buy the gift certificate online and we email you a code, and you can then use that code for yourself. You can give it to your friend, whatever. You can even print it out and package it up, make it look nice, like you know what you're doing. They're available in quantities, I think, from anything down as low as $25 up to $500 gift certificates that you can buy. And then, of course, you can buy multiples. So if you want to mix and match, you can get all kinds of gift certificates in nearly any amount that you could possibly think of. So, yes, if you need help, also, I should say, if you know that your friend has a Miata with pop-up headlights, but you don't know what fits that particular Miata because you're not a Miata nerd yourself, give us a call. Our guys are more than happy to talk with you and help you get whatever the best solution is for that particular case. So that way you're showing that they've been good this year, because that's what it's all about. No, not really. We really like and enjoy all of you, and we wouldn't be here without any of our customers and friends. So thank you so much. We really appreciate it. 2024 has been an awesome year. Nope, 2023. I'm already in the future. Sorry. 2023 has been an awesome year. So thank you very much for all of your contributions, all of your help, all of your comments and suggestions. We wouldn't be here without you. But unless we have anything else. No? Okay, good. I didn't forget anything this time. Or at least I won't remember until next time. We'll go ahead and sign off for now. Thank you so much for your attention. Happy holidays, and I hope you have a safe one. We'll see you next week.